Hey there. Today, we're going to take a quick look at the major scientific revolutions that changed the world. Copernican Revolution. Let's start with Nicholas Copernicus, who changed our view of the universe. Before him, people believed that the Earth was the center of the universe. But Copernicus argued that the Earth and the planets revolve around the Sun. This was one of the first true scientific revolutions. Imagine this. Before Copernicus, people thought everything in the cosmos revolved around them. Newtonian Mechanics, 17th century, Isaac Newton is the next big figure in science. He developed the laws of motion and gravity, which explained why things fall, how planets move, and generally how the physical world works. His discoveries became the foundation of classical mechanics. Everything from airplane flight to car movement is based on Newton's laws. Chemical Revolution, 18th century. Antoine Lavoisier changed chemistry when he discovered the law of conservation of mass. He also established that oxygen plays a key role in combustion, disproving the old theory of phlogiston, a substance once thought to be the basis of fire. Lavoisier gave us modern chemistry. Thanks to him, we now understand what happens during chemical reactions. Darwinian Evolutionary Revolution, 19th century. Charles Darwin proposed the theory of evolution through natural selection. He argued that all species change over time to adapt to their environment. This idea caused quite a stir in both science and religion. Now we understand that humans and all living organisms have common ancestors and change from generation to generation. Einstein's theory of relativity, 20th century. Albert Einstein revolutionized physics with his theories of general and special relativity. He showed that time and space are not absolute, and that energy can convert into mass. His famous equation, ES-mc2, became a symbol of the new era of science. Thanks to relativity, we can understand how black holes work and why astronauts experience time differently in space. Quantum Revolution, 20th century. Quantum mechanics is another revolution in physics, brought about by Max Planck, Werner Heisenberg, and Niels Bohr. It explains the behavior of particles on a very small scale, very different from what we see in our everyday world. If you've ever heard of quantum computers, it's thanks to quantum mechanics, which helps us understand how the world works on the level of atoms and electrons. DNA Revolution, 20th century. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick discovered the structure of DNA. This was a revolution in biology as it helped us understand how genetic traits are passed from parents to children. It opened the door to genetics, biotechnology, and even genetic modification. Thanks to the discovery of DNA, we can understand hereditary diseases and even develop medicines based on genetics. Information Revolution, 20th century, present. This is our modern revolution. The internet, computers, artificial intelligence, all of these are transforming our lives. Thanks to pioneers like Alan Turing, we can now process vast amounts of information and use it for scientific discoveries, business, and communication. You're watching this video right now thanks to the Information Revolution. Medical Revolution, 19th to 20th century. With the invention of the microscope and the discovery of microbes by Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch, medicine took a huge leap forward. The germ theory of disease led to the development of vaccines, antibiotics, and sterilization, saving millions of lives each year. Thanks to these discoveries, we now know that bacteria and viruses, not bad air, cause infections. Climate Revolution, 21st century. Modern scientific research has given us a deeper understanding of climate change and its impacts on the planet. Scientists have determined that climate change, especially global warming, is driven by human activity. This has led to the development of new ecological technologies and energy-efficient solutions. The shift to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power is a direct response to the climate crisis. Artificial Intelligence Revolution, 21st century. Artificial intelligence is now at the forefront of scientific research. Thanks to deep learning and neural networks, AI can perform complex tasks that were once reserved for humans. Modern AI algorithms assist in diagnosing diseases at early stages by analyzing millions of medical images faster than doctors. Biotechnological revolution, 20th, 21st century. Biotechnology opened new opportunities for manipulating genetic material, allowing the creation of genetically modified organisms and the development of new drugs. CRISPR is a gene editing technology that enables precise changes in DNA and is already being used to treat genetic disorders. Neuroscience revolution, 20th, 21st century. Advances in brain research technologies have allowed science to better understand neural processes. This has led to revolutionary changes in treating mental disorders and studying consciousness. Neural implants help paralyzed individuals control computers using only their thoughts. Aerospace revolution, 20th century. From the Wright brothers' first flight to the landing of a man on the moon, humanity has made a tremendous leap in space exploration. This opened up new opportunities for scientific research and potential colonization of celestial bodies. Space missions like the Hubble Space Telescope allow us to observe deep space and study galaxies billions of light years from Earth. These revolutions illustrate how science constantly transforms our understanding of the world and helps tackle global challenges. Thank you for watching the video and stay connected.